Hunter mode on. 10 speed by WIAORCHI. Today, we're diving into the 114. Off-road track for WD racing car. Powerful beast in a sleek, sporty design. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. For spare wheels, for better grip and to double the fun. To body skins. To customize your car's look. To battery chargers. A full pack of spare parts so you're always ready for action. Now, let's take a closer look at the core components. Motor gears. Metal shock absorbers. Drive shafts. Extra battery. Here's the remote, a 2.4 GHz standard controller that lets you control the power of the car. Start at 70% for beginners or go full beast mode at 100%. You'll need AA batteries to power it up. Time to look under the hood. The body skin is held in place by 4 pins, and yes, spares are in the box. Connecting is simple. Just hold the button on the receiver for 2 seconds and align the wheels using your remote. And you're good to go. So, what's powering this monster? A Hobby 2852 for the 00 kV brushless motor, 4-pole, high torque with a metal heatsink. Pair it with a 3S battery and you'll hit 50 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Still not impressed? Check out the metal protector underneath. Built tough, so don't be afraid to put it to the test. Alright, enough talking. I'm going to take this beast for a spin, sit back, and enjoy the action.